Alright, if you bought the 16 by 48 Intex pool and you're still using this cartridge filter, you probably already noticed that you're having pH issues, algae issues. It just doesn't move enough water. It doesn't move quite as much as the 16-inch crystal clear sand filter pump. I've got the pool filling up. I'm past the first spout, so the intake is covered by at least an inch of water. So the first thing I want to do is, right now it is closed, so I am going to move it to the backwash position and let it run. See, I've got my hose connected and I drug it all the way across the yard there. It's going to drain against the wall there until that little bubble is running clear of sediment. Okay, so I gotta make sure the pool outlet is open. I've got another spout here to go up to my solar panels, which I don't have up on the roof yet, but let's go ahead and start our backwash and make sure I'm on the backwash setting once again, and then I'll go ahead and turn the pump on. And just to make sure I'm watching my pressure, that means my pump is circulating correctly. Otherwise the pump will be building up way too much pressure. So you can see it's kind of clearing out now. It's just a little bit murky in there. You see here at the end I've got the water coming out. I know it seems counterintuitive. Okay, so that's clear. I think I'm going to shut it off now and we'll move it to the rinse cycle. Okay, rinse is over here. Okay, now that I've switched to rinse, I'm going to go ahead and turn the pump on. You're supposed to leave it on for about a minute. Yes, okay. Okay, now that water looks crystal clear, so I think I'm good to shut it off. So now we're switching to filter mode. This will be the normal operating mode. And we can turn that on and I should see water spitting out the outtake now. Obviously my pool's not full. So that wouldn't be happening. So now it's running normally. You look at the leaf grabber, it's actually running pretty clean right there. So I'm happy. That's how you set up your pool pump for the first time. Okay, now that you're in filter mode, it is now safe to remove this waste hose. I'm just going to put this cap back on so that this rubber seal doesn't get all cracked. So I actually didn't get rid of my Intex cartridge filter because it comes in handy as a pool vacuum. I didn't go buy me a pool vacuum yet, so I just vacuum things to waste, and I can actually cover that in another video down the road. You know, maybe one day I'll get a hot tub, one of them little Intex inflatable ones. Yeah, okay.